What's up, everyone? Stable Diffusion 3 is officially here, and you need to get on this now. I'm about to show you exactly where to download it and how to get started. Will it give you mind-blowing results instantly? Maybe not. It needs a bit of fine-tuning. But trust me, it's absolutely worth it. Now, I know some people are out there saying this model is trash. Well, let me set the record straight. It's not. SD3 is a solid 2 billion parameter model, and unless you've got a monster GPU, you won't even miss the 8 billion model. Plus, most fine-tunes are likely going to happen on the 2 billion model anyway. What makes SD3 so amazing? For starters, its text prompt understanding is next level, thanks to a 16-channel VAE. SD3 is the king of the hill when it comes to anime art and control net setups, delivering higher resolutions and better control than ever before. Yeah, it might need some community tweaks to hit its peak, but it's already a game changer. So, forget the old models, SD3 is here to take over. Get ready to dive in and start creating like never before. For this demo, I'm going to use free cloud GPU provider Lighting AI. So, if you've been slogging through Google Colab's ugly interface, dealing with no GPU allocation, losing your work due to lack of persistent storage, or just getting timed out for not being active for 5 minutes, your struggle ends today. Lighting AI is here to save the day with a sleek web-based VS Code interface, terminal access, and most importantly, persistent storage. Yep, you heard that right. Lighting AI gives you one free studio that runs 24/7 with 22 free GPU hours every month. That's right, 22 hours of glorious, uninterrupted GPU power. You get an instance with 4 cores and 16 GB RAM, perfect for coding and running your AI models. And when you need to kick things up a notch, just add a GPU to your instance seamlessly. Boom, instant power boost. Sign up on the Lighting AI website and get yourself on the waiting list. It took me just 2 days to get access. Once you're in, create a studio, choose the code option, and you're off to the races. You can switch between VS Code and Jupyter interfaces, run big LLMs, diffusion models, and so much more. Plus, you can track your CPU and GPU usage in real time. How cool is that? First things first, we need to install comfyui to run Stable Diffusion 3. Let's jump right into it. Alright, if you've got an NVIDIA GPU, you need to install Stable PyTorch. Open up your terminal and type in this command. But wait, if you get the torch not compiled with CUDA enabled error, don't freak out. Just uninstall Torch, then install it again using the command above. Boom, problem solved. Our environment is ready. Now let's clone GitHub repo of comfyui. Now let's get those dependencies installed. Open your terminal inside the comfyui folder and run this command, pip install r-requirements.txt, and just like that, you've got everything you need to run comfyui. Next up, we need to download the model file. For this, we're using the wget command. But first, you need your Hugging Face authentication token. Go to Hugging Face, huggingface.co/ and sign up if you haven't already. Head to your profile settings and generate a new token. Replace your Hugging Face auth token with your actual token in this command. For this demo, I am doing to download this model SD3 medium including clip. For download, right link on model file and copy link address. Now open your notepad and paste link here. Now we need to do few things. First, remove download equal true and question mark. After that, add this line to your command. You need to paste your token here. Now everything is ready. Copy whole command and paste it on terminal. Remember, make sure you are inside model checkpoint folder. Wget header authorization bearer, your Hugging Face auth token. It's compviz stable-diffusion v1-1-4 original blob/sdv-v1-4. Alright, the moment of truth. With everything installed, it's time to fire up comfyui. Run the main.py file with this command, python main.py. This will start the comfyui server. You'll see a localhost link pop up. Click that link, and boom, comfyui will open up in your browser. Alright, now let's create our first image, a beautiful lady walking on the beach. It'll take about 30 seconds to generate the image, so let's wait for the result. And boom, it's awesome. You can download the SD3 workflow for comfyui from Hugging Face. Just download the JSON file and drag and drop it into your comfyui. It will automatically load the workflow for you. Okay, now I want to test if this model is uncensored or not. I'm going to generate an NSFW image. Let's see if it can generate it or not. Oh yeah, look at this. Holy sun. I am very impressed by this model. I know it's not DALL-E 3 or Midjourney level, but no one is complaining about that. For now, it's the king of open source image generation models. And one thing I know, this thing is going to get better over time. As of now, while I'm making this video, Luma AI and Runway ML just released their text-to-video models. Do you want to see those videos? If yes, then please subscribe and press the bell notification. For now, bye. See you in the next video.